Hi everybody, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera as always is Jake, and this is Fastlane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away.
Yeah, we're in the booth so you can't see our logo, but we're still in St. Charles, Missouri, 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west. I'm gonna stick the phone number above Steele's head. Remember it, write it down. Call us about the ZR1 or the other 150 or so cars we have at any given time. Also, like and subscribe, because when you like and subscribe, it helps us help you, help us help you. And when you subscribe, hit the bell, because then you get notified when we make cool stuff like this.
Like this. And this is an all, do you guys like all aluminum engines? Let's just ask that question. Do you like them designed by Lotus? Do you like Mercury Marine putting them in a Corvette and calling it a ZR1? Well, by God, here it is. 1990 Corvette ZR1. 380 horsepower. It's got the color-coded Targa roof that goes on here. It's a 6-speed manual. It's got all the 1990 gadgets that came with the car. It's got the little digital gauge. It's got the RPM gauge. It's a real gauge. It's got the big fat gator backs. How nice. Yeah, I love this car. This is great. I had a 1984. It was a wonderful car. Ooh, look, you put gas there. This pops up and you can get the little, there's an add-on you can get with these cars. I don't know if you know this, but you can put it here and it like keeps this open and lets the air flow through. It's really nice.
Yeah, Chris's car has that. Yeah. You can actually leave your back hatch slightly popped open and have it stay there for some fresh air to come out the back. And you can hear your exhaust a little bit better, which is cool. Which is cool,
because this one has good exhaust.
The button for that back is right in here in the console.
Which makes sense.
Bright yellow button is for popping this back open, and I did that in the B-roll to show it. You got the 6-speed there with the little ring on it that you pull up to put it in a reverse. You have all the buttons there on the console for, you know, air controls and radio and stuff.
Buttons.
This panel here is where all your check engine lights would show up if this car had any, but it doesn't because it only has how many miles, Chris?
94.
98.
Is it 98 now?
It's 98.
Oh boy, we're just gonna limp up the street then, aren't we?
Yeah, so for that reason, we're trying to keep it under 100, so we're not really gonna drive it, but we will drive it up to the main where we're gonna have it parked to show that it does go under its own power, and we know that it does because Service drove it when it got checked in.
Yep.
So we know it runs good.
Oh, and now, do you know this part? So this is a shielding that they put on the windshield, and that's where you put your radar detectors. So you could actually make sure there was no police ahead of you. Basically, Gersman told me that this just deflects all the radar off. Man, what happened to Chevy? I mean, they should keep doing stuff like that. That's so cool. It's punk rock.
Of course, you got the pop-up headlights that do the whole 180.
Don't you love that?
Which is kind of cool. But I mean, yeah, I mean, it's just a pristine condition 90 ZR1 with 98 miles on it. It's basically a brand new car.
It is.
And so whoever buys it hopefully enjoys it and drives the thing.
I hope they do.
It deserves a good life.
It does. Are we ready?
Yeah, let's start it up and bring it up to the main. How about?
Oh, God.